Spent a fortune on vacuum cleaners that barely work? You'll never struggle with cleaning again. This Shark vacuum is next level with DuoClean tech. Sweep carpets and shine floors in one go. Pet hair everywhere? Not anymore. Self-cleaning Brushroll means no more tangled mess. Less than 3 columns, vacuuming never felt this easy. Swivel steering conquers every corner. LED headlights reveal hidden dust. Don't miss out. Grab yours now and enjoy spotless rooms. You can buy it right now via the link in the description or in my comments to the video.